Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's how to make a braided puff pastry whenever you need a quick and delicious treat. Take a puff pastry sheet and spread on a lightly floured surface. Cut the pastry as shown. Place some feta-parsley mixture on the non-cut part and cover the filling with the other non-cut part and press gently on the sides. Close the cut strips over the pastry by alternating sides until all is braided. Place the pastry on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and brush with beaten egg yolk. Bake for about 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Puff pastry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!